Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How to create animated videos in Canva for free. So there is a step-by-step guide. First of all, we will just select the video. Right over just selected the landscape option of video. So we will move in the left side. You will see the elements option. And I want to just type city road background. And we will just go for in graphics. And I want to just tap this. And you will just have to right click and just set image as background as well. So again, just right click and just tap for duplicate page. So we will just move in this one. So after we will just search for cars and just type. Again, you will just tap for see all in graphics and example this car I want to add on it. So we will just adjust it on the road like this. And now what we're gonna do, we will just tap on this animated option, and there's an option create an animation, drag element around the canvas to create your own animations. So just tap, and like this you will just have to move this car. So we will hold it and go like this, and that's it. So finally, in this way you will just have to create animated videos in Canva for free. Whatever you want to content, any of you will just have go for the elements and just selected the graphics and just tab. So that's it. Thank you.